Exercise 2.9 students. A factory produces, value is given, meter of cloth in a year, and the factory had 293 days. Working days are 293 days. How many meters of cloth did it produced in a day? So cloth produced in 293 days is equal to this value is given. These many meters are produced in 293 days. Now clothes produced, you are asked to find out cloth produced in one day. Children, if you know the rate of many things and you are asked to find out of one day or one thing, in that case you have to divide. So it is clear 293 days are given and you are asked to find out of day 1. That means you have to divide it. Okay, so this division, already I told you how to do division. It is already done over here. You can see. So this is your answer with meters. It is compulsory to write the unit over here. Yes, second question. 144 pencils can be packed in a box. That means in a box, how many pencils can be packed? 144. How many boxes are required to pack given number of pencils? Children, in this question, you are asked to find number of boxes. So remember, whenever you have to find out number of something, in that case, always you have to divide the bigger unit divide by the smaller unit. In this case, the bigger unit is total number of pencils which are given to you. These are the total number of pencils. Divide by pencils in one box. That is 144. So division you can do yourself. Clear? Whatever the answer will be obtained, that you can write. Again, number of something, when you have to find out, you always have to divide. So this question, division I have not done, so that you will complete yourself. Third question, the cost of 145 tables are given. The cost of 145 tables are given. Then you are asked to find cost of one table. Very simple. The case is of division. You have to divide this value with 145. So division is already done. As I told you in previous exercise, rough work, you have to write the multiples. That will be easy for you. Okay. So you can divide this number with 145. That will be the answer. So don't forget to write rupees in front of answer. This is your answer. Clear? So this way you have to write. Cost of one table is 875. I am sure division, all of you can do it very well. Fourth question. Students, it's very important and bit different. So be careful and understand the question properly. An engine pumps out 1470 liter of water in a minute. Okay. An engine pumps out 1470 liter in 1 minute. And you are asked to find how much time will it take in hours. Children, it is given in minutes and you are asked to find in hours. So first of all, you should know the conversion. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. If you have to convert hours to minutes, you will multiply by 60. And if you have to convert minutes to hours, in that case you will divide with 60. So 1 minute is equal to 1 over 60 hours. I have written here conversion. Now let's start the statement, children. 1470 liters pumps out in 1 minute means 1 by 60 hours. 1 liter. You must be thinking why I found 1 liter. If we know the value of one thing, we can find out anything. So 1 liter pumps out in 1 by 60. Here you can see many you are given and of 1 you are going to find out. That's why this will come over here. Because you have to divide this with 1. So it will come over here. That will be 1 over 60 into 1470. Once again, children, this is the value of 1470. That is 1 by 60. You have to find out of 1. You will divide. So if you have to divide, this value will be written in the denominator. Clear? Now you are asked to find out in how many hours these many liters pumps out. So that's why I found of 1 liter. Because if you know the value of 1 liter, how many he will ask you, you can find out. Okay. So 1 liter, this is the value. Of these many liters we have to find out. So this value will multiply by this. So this value, when you will multiply by this, 1 multiply by this value will be the same and denominator as it is. See children, I can divide these two zeros and you are left with this value divided by 882. Clear? And when you will divide 10,584 with 882, you will get 12 answer. So that many liters can be pumped out in 12 hours. Yes students, with this we have completed second chapter and this is our rest of the syllabus. Chapter number 8 and chapter number 2 syllabus I made you write. So note down the syllabus which you are left with. Chapter number 13, exercise 13.1, 13.2, 13.3, question number 1 to question number 6 of 13.3. 13.4 full, 13.5, 13.6 full, 13.7. Then chapter number 1, exercise 1.1, 1.2, question number 1 to 15 and question number 20 and 21 of exercise 1.2. 1.3 full, 1.4 full. Chapter 16, exercise 16.1, 16.2 and 16.3 only second question. That's all about your syllabus and I hope you all will prepare chapter number 2 very well and next week I'll give you test of chapter number 2. Sorry, I by mistake I said chapter number 12. That is chapter number 2 we have completed. So prepare it well at home. Thank you.